I'm Danny. I'm a sales associate here at Galaxy Motors at the West Shore location. Today, I'm going to be showing you our beautiful 2020 Nocturnal Black Toyota Supra. This thing's fast. It's got a 3-liter, 6-cylinder V6 engine and 335 horsepower. It's also got 355 pounds of torque. Awesome body lines and amazing automatic headlights on the front. Taking a closer look at the interior here, we have a beautiful space. BMW has actually designed the interior of this vehicle, and it shows. We've got premium quality leather seats. We've got heated seats, both passenger and driver's side. We've got memory seats on the driver's side. We've got wireless charging. We've got an 8.8-inch display on the front called Super Connect, fully functional navigation system, paddle shift for your sport mode, and we've got an 8-speaker sound system in here, so if you want to play some music, it can get loud. The rear of the vehicle, we've got sensors all along the back for rear cross-traffic detection. We've got this awesome taillight and this Supra logo, paying homage to the old Supra vehicles. Last but not least, we've got 19-inch forged aluminum alloy wheels and performance brakes to help you control the power when you're driving. If you're interested in this unit, come see us at Galaxy Motors at the West Shore Parkway or give us a call to book an appointment.